Just do business.
And I know you have kids, and you're training like your son to be an entrepreneur too.
Right.
You know, and
so my last venture was I own about a commercial. I wanted to dig into commercial, so I bought a commercial building, and it's called Shannon Suites, and we offer 14 suites that you can lease out, and you can run your own business. Things like barbering, lash techs, t-shirt shops. You know, you can just use it for office space. So my son started a print company, and he prints t-shirts, and he's doing very well, and I'm proud of him.
What like he watched you like did he go to like real estate homes and houses while you were going to tour the area, or?
Yeah, he always have. I mean, his mom was a realtor, is a realtor broker. So, and I always been an investor, so he's seen it happening, and he learned a lot from us. But he just felt like he seen a vision. First, he started off making his own clothes, his line, and some kind of way it cultivated to him to want to be the print shop and be able to print for other people. And he has a good friend and a cousin. His name is Chase Hawkins, and they came up with the idea. Chase was already started in it, but Chris jumped in, and they bubbled, and I'm proud of them.
Right. What's the name of that company?
Sixers. Sixers Print. Right.
Yeah.
And they own personal brand is Unknown Rex.
Yeah, man. Congratulations, because the beautiful part about it, you know, and I'm seeing we're in one of the locations where I'm seeing everything, and it's your building.
Right.
It's the family dynasty. It's
so I
legacy.
get this from T.I. It's a family hustle. Because also both of my daughters, they braid hair, so they have a suite downstairs too. And it's just a wonderful feeling. Some days I come up here Thursday or Friday, and I walk in the suites, and all my kids are here, and they all eating, they getting money. So they braiding hair. I come upstairs, my son is printing loads of shirts. He did a nice logo and some prints for my one of my electricians, and he was very satisfied. He wanted to come back. So it's a place that all us could make money together and enjoy each other.
Now, okay, when you found the Shannon Suites, right? Did you take me to like what? Like, how did you come up with the idea of suites? Because a lot of people don't process and think like that with suites. They get the whole building and they just make it a one business. And like, what made you think like that? Like,
that's when the real estate, what I knew from real estate, jumped back in. So my son, he went to Landmark Christian, which is in Fairburn. So on the route to school, I always ride through Union City, which was kind of distressed. Union City had a big boom back in the day, and it slowed down. So I seen that it was gonna come back around, and I kept riding by this cleaners. This was a big old cleaners. I mean, the gut out was ridiculous. I had to spend so much money just to tear it up, because you can imagine the silver cleaner rags, no good ventilation, no AC. But my thing was the same as with housing. I was like, max out the property, have as many doors as you can. So me and my friends always talk about how many doors we got. So that's where I came up with the suite. Let me have 14 doors in one building instead of one building. So I got 14 different opportunities of making money instead of just one big opportunity making money.
So take me to like, even like, okay, we're gonna start with like, okay, what would be for somebody that wants to look up to you and do what you're doing with Shannon Suites, and how you came about with like even starting the process of like before you even thought about the business, like how did you know how to put things together? Like, who did you hire? Like carpenters, electricians, right. How did you learn that side of, like, how would you break that down? What would you start with? Like when you walk into a property like this? what's the first thing or the first person you hiring, or what you seeing and looking at?
Okay, so first thing, you're gonna always have a vision, and you have to move fast, but not so fast. So when you get that vision, you know, you pray on it, you sleep on it, you think about it, and you come back at it. But you always bring other people who you feel like know a little bit more than you, and ask their opinion about it, and see if they see a vision. And other people see a vision, you can kind of cultivate it there. But first, you always want to have a good electrician, a good GC, a good contractor who can oversee things and look and make sure the property is worth what it is, and is it worth putting your money in. And once you get started, everything else will fall in line.